is a success. Kijiji Cup, its main agenda for this year was on the pad bank, but we are also continuing with the scholarship fund whereby we sponsor kids so they will qualify to the semi-finals. So we are hopeful that today get more support from the various stakeholders who supported us. We are grateful to all. We are grateful to Dr. Saidim and the family, grateful to Caritas, and also grateful to Bright Future Foundation for all that they've supported us in terms of pad bank or the sanitary towels. So we are grateful, and we hope that next year will be big, we'll be able to grow, be able to cover many villages for the success of the
final day since we started last week, and we can say it's great success, as you can see from the turn-up who've shown up for the event. Again, Kijiji Cup is about doing better and doing good for the community, especially the pad bank. Now we have a Kijiji pad bank that we launched, and it's going on well. Thank you to the well-wishers who are coming through to support this noble cause. And as we finalize on the finals today, we look forward to keeping this initiative going. We would like to ask well-wishers to continue supporting us, especially the county government. Sanitary towels is as basic thing, and we want them to allocate a budget for something as basic as sanitary towels for vulnerable grassroots
sports, because through Kijiji Cup we have been integrating sports and environmental conservation, whereby we have been having clean-up exercises in our villages under we did a clean-up exercise in 13 villages around, and the previous years also we have been doing environmental conservation through tree planting in institutions, whereby we have been trying to help the government and also the other bodies to curb the issues of climate change. So as the Kijiji fraternity and the family, we are also on the front line of trying to help the country and also our county to be a green, clean and healthy for betterment and for betterment of the community and everybody. So we are there, and as Kijiji Cup, we are also trying to mentor our young kids, also the street children, to come the green economy, the reusing and recycling technology, whereby they are using the waste so that to bring income to their lives.